So today we will be discussing about the topic of simultaneous equations. This is how it looks like. Like there are two equations are given, so that we have to solve values for x and y, like any two variables, x and y, a and b, c and d, e and f, g and h, anything. Two equations, two variables. You have to find the value, like of the two variables, like we have to find like x can be equal to 1, y can be equal to 2. So yes, we have to find the values of these two variables. So there are two methods basically. Which method I prefer is this one, substitution. There is one more method known as elimination method. I will tell you, but let's first discuss this method. So basically in this method we use one equation and substitute one variable's value, which you can use in another equation. I will show you one example and then you will easily understand. Through this you can get the value of that particular variable, and then you can put it and find the value of another variable. Let's take an example. So here we have equation 1. Okay, so here we are substituting like a y and finding its value, like it was 6x plus y equals to 1. So now what I did here, 6x was being plus, so I moved it here, and now it is being subtracted. So now we found the value of y, which is 1 minus 6x. Now what we would be doing, we would be substituting it into another equation, which is equation number 2, which was this 4x minus y equals 4. Now we have found the value of y, which was 1 minus 6x. Yes, we found it here because we found the value of y by using this equation, and as we found it, it was 1 minus 6x. Now we would be putting it here, 1 minus 6x. So let's substitute it. Now as it was 4x minus y, so y's value was 1 minus 6x, so I put a bracket and wrote the equation again. And now 4x minus 1, because we are multiplying with bracket minus 1 and minus minus plus, so plus 6x. And now we solved it, like 4x plus 6x is equal to 10x, and here the plus there is minus 1, so as it will go there, it will become plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, and it would be equal to 10x. Here 10 is being multiplied by x, so as we will be moving here, so it would be divided. So 5 divided by 10, as we would be reducing it, it would be 1 divided by 2. Now using this value, using the value of x, that is 1 by 2 that we found, now we can use this value in any of the two equations. So what I did, like I used the first equation again, that was 6x plus y equals 1. As we know, the value of x is 1 upon 2, so I multiplied 6 by 1 upon 2, as 6x plus y equals 1, so x equals 1 upon 2. So 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2, 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2, like now we would be reducing it, it would become 6 upon 2, so it would become 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so we made it 3. And 3 plus y equals 1. 3 here has been plus, and as we will be moving here, it will be subtracted. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and here we got the value of y also. So x equals 1 upon 2 and y equals minus 2. Hope you understood. Thank you.